While cleaning your conveyor ovens, it is important to use TurboChef oven cleaner. Your kit includes a bottle, a trigger sprayer, and cleaning powder packets. Fill the bottle to the fill line with warm water. Pour in 1 packet of cleaning powder and shake thoroughly for 30 seconds. Allow the mixture to sit for 3 minutes before using. Follow these steps for TurboChef High H conveyors 1618, 2020, and 2620. Step 1. Cool the oven. Press the off button to cool the oven. This can take up to 30 minutes. Do not clean the oven until the screen reads, "Oven off, safe to clean." Step 2. Clean the oven door. Remove the oven door by unlatching the locks and lift the door up. Spray the oven door with oven cleaner and wipe with a clean cloth towel. Remove oven cleaner residue with a clean damp towel. Step 3. Clean the jet plates. Unlatch the top and bottom jet plates and pull out of the oven cavity. Detach the jet plates and remove large food debris. Spray oven cleaner on the jet plates and gently scrub with a scrub pad. Let the oven cleaner sit for 5 to 10 minutes for tough buildup. Rinse the jet plates with cold water and then dry with a clean cloth towel. Step 4. Clean the chain belt. Remove the crumb trays, extenders, and chain guard. Lift the chain belt up, unhook the chain, and pull the chain belt out of the oven cavity. Do not try to remove the chain. Gently scrub the chain belt with oven cleaner and a scrub pad. Rinse with cold water and allow the chain belt to dry completely. Clean the crumb tray with a clean cloth towel. Step 5. Clean the air filters. Remove the air filters in the exterior back of the oven. Rinse with cold water and let the filters dry completely before reinstalling. Step 6. Clean the oven cavity. Remove large food particles from the oven cavity. Spray oven cleaner on a clean cloth towel and do not spray into the back of the oven. Spraying into the back of the oven cavity can damage the catalytic converter. Remove oven cleaner residue with a clean damp cloth. Step 7. Reinstall components. Reinstall the air filters after they are completely dry. Replace the filters if they are deteriorated or damaged. Reinstall the top and bottom jet plates and hook the latch back into place. Reinstall the chain belt and reattach the chain. Reinstall the chain guard, crumb trays, and extenders. Reattach the oven door on the hinges and lock both latches. Step 8. Clean the oven exterior. With a damp cloth towel, wipe the front, sides, and top of the exterior. Press the clean icon in the bottom right of the one-touch screen to lock the screen for 10 seconds, allowing you to clean it. Follow these steps daily to ensure the best performance from your conveyor ovens. Contact your sales representative to order more cleaning materials.